Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the blend modes of layers in After Effects. I'll also show you how to toggle through all of the blend modes really quickly, making it fast and easy for you to make a selection based on whatever you think looks the best. If you are familiar with blend modes from Photoshop or other graphics programs, they work the exact same way in Adobe After Effects. Changing the blend mode of a layer changes the way it interacts with the layers below it. To change blend modes in Adobe After Effects, you're going to come down here to the Layers panel. If you do not see mode already listed, click on this button on the very bottom that says Toggle Switches and Modes. Once you click on that, you will see mode. You can also toggle the switches and modes by using the keyboard shortcut F4. And to change the blend modes for any layer, just click on the little drop down arrow in the mode section. Now you will see this big long list of blend modes where you can select the blend mode that you want, or if you're not sure, just go through them one by one until you find one that looks good to you. Now as you can see, this list is kind of long, and having to do this one at a time can be a little tedious. To scroll through the entire list and get a preview of all of the blend modes, all you have to do is select the layer where you want to apply the blend mode. Then press the Shift key. You're going to keep the Shift key pressed, and you're going to tap on the plus or equal key, and that will scroll through the list forward. So I'm going to tap on the plus key, and as you can see in the modes, they are changing one by one. So you can just glance up at the composition to see how each blend mode looks. If you want to reverse directions and go backwards, just tap on the minus key next to the plus key, and now you can go back through the list. So forward is Shift plus, Shift minus will go back through the list. So for me, I'm liking the lighter color blend mode. You can see how the logo is blended in naturally to the brick wall. And for the finishing touches, I'm going to select the logo. I'm going to tap on T for opacity. I'm going to bring down the opacity. I'm going to try like 90%. And now I want to fade it onto the wall. So I'm going to make sure my playhead is all the way at the very beginning. I'm going to click on the stopwatch for opacity. I'm going to bring the opacity all the way down to 0. I'm going to go about 2 seconds. And I'm going to bring it back up to 90%. And now when I play the back, you'll see the logo just fades onto the brick wall. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you change blend modes in Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Cheers.